2015. Go ahead, Hazy.
Sing it.
Sing it. Come on.
Come on, Hazy, do it.
Hi, how are you? Good. Really good. These are my peeps. These are all my family. Doug, you met at the meeting. It's my daughter Emily. Son Jordan. Son Shay. He's the chairman of the Republican Party here in Torrance. Oh, he took over for Rick? Yeah. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Do that one more time. Woo! Well, you okay, Neeks? Hazy was singing America.
Didn't you say there was...
Are you the chairman?
Hazy, you were singing America. Let's hear it.
I'm their oldest.
Oh, you weren't the one saying
Oh, America.
Woo! Yeah, Hazy! Yay, USA! Woo! Sung by Haz Joe Hadamio. Woo, 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 woo! Woo! Yeah! Hip, hip! Jesus rules! Cowboy in the kitchen singing. Woo! Hip, hip, hip for Jesus! Woo! Happy 4th Independence Day! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! America as it was founded! Yes! Woo! Woo! Americans! Woo! Happy 4th of July! Independence Day! Yes! Woo! Woo! Nice car!
Look at the nice spinny things.
Woo! Here's our 911 van. We were in the parade. Here's a couple of awesome horses in the parade. Yes! Woo! Happy 4th! Independence Day! Yes! God bless America!
Pick up the camera, guys.
4th of July 2015. These are the awesome peeps of 911 Restoration. Woo! We got Char with 911. She's in the car with Sammy. The little snickerdoodle. Hi, Sammy! Woo! 911! Woo! Sammy's 911! Happy 4th of July! Happy first 4th of July! To the littlest snickerdoodle. And this is the awesome man of 911 Restoration.
The face of 911 Restoration.
He heads up the teams! And here's the teams: Emily, Nikki, Nico, Hazy, Jordan,
Hello.
Shay.
Happy 4th.
This is the crew. This is our crew.
What do you call it when you're in trouble? 911 Restoration.
Yes, say it again.
911 Restoration.
Who do you call when you're in trouble?
911 Restoration.
Woo! What do you do when you have a flood?
911 Restoration.
What do you do when you have a fire?
911 Restoration.
What do you do when you have mold?
911 Restoration.
What do you do when you have sewage?
911 Restoration.
Woo! Yes!
Unite.
Unite!
What do you do when you're high? Is that the poop coopers?
No, we call the Coopers. We call the 911 Restoration. Woo! Happy 4th! Independence Day! America as it should be. Americans. Woo! Happy 4th! God bless you! 911! Hey! Happy 4th of July!
Grab your engine.
We talked to that McQueen guy.
Oh, did you?
We had to. We don't like him. He's not good. He's terrible.
We told him.
We told them don't give us your candy.
American. He's an American. It's not Obama. Ooh, did I just say that? Ooh. Okay, so this was an awesome 4th of July parade. Now we're breaking it down.